Hi, my name is Samori. This here is
Aidan.
And today for Fluid Power Project, we have a 1981 red pristine Corvette, and I'll be going into this garage. Now, the garage door is powered by 2 syringes and a tube, basically. What's gonna happen is we pull the syringe back over here, and this will go upward to the roof, allowing the car to go inside. Now, we're gonna use it in a practical situation. Ready, my good sir? All right.
And there you have it.
And there you have it.